everyone, friends, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use OP autoclicker. Open up any browser. Type in OP autoclicker here. Go to the Windows download. Wait for 4 seconds. Open it. Run anyway. Alright, now we need to set the click interval we want. For example, let's set it to 1 click every second. Okay, that's it. That's how it's done. And here you can add some randomness so it doesn't click exactly once per second. For instance, add an error of 40 milliseconds or even 100. And then you choose how many times it should repeat or until you stop it. And let's see, I'll open Paint, for example. And press F. And as you can see, it clicks every second, which means I'm not pressing anything. The auto clicker is doing it. Moreover, you can configure which mouse button to use and the type of click you want. You can even set up a double click. See, it clicks twice. And that's all for now. This was Velour with you. Goodbye, everyone.